In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then you can either enter backup in the search area and then go to backup and restore right here, or you can smoothly locate about phone and now reach backup and restore right here. Then click on backup my data under Google Backup and Reset, and here turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Once the indicator is active, you can go back and add your backup account. Just previously make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in to Google account with your Google account actually. So let me just enter my details and tap on next. And here just enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And once you enter the password, tap on next. And here you've got all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Then accept the selection of these Google services, and that's it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate Google Backup, and this backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. So just tap on OK to finish, and you've just activated Google Backup. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.